Alright, what is up YouTube? Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I'm really excited to be showing you some amazing townhomes over in Lake Nona. So these ones are lower priced, really good price actually. So they're between $480 and I think it's $520. The official prices do get released this week. So I will let you guys know in the comment section what these exact homes are priced at, because it will be these model homes that I'm showing that are going up for sale. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and thank you so much for clicking on my video. Let's get right into it.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down and fly.
How it's supposed to feel.